Okay.
Hi, I'm Brandon Bodenshots. Everything that's gone on with Zen Windows has been extremely easy. From the first step, just getting a quote from him took extremely 5 minutes. Just sent the thing over to him, and he called me back and gave me a rough idea of how much it was going to cost, and then he came out, measured it, sent it back to him, and set up an installation date. And the process of putting in the new windows and then capping them on the outside, everything's been easy as pie, pretty much. I would definitely recommend these guys to anybody who's out there looking for new windows. So definitely thumbs up.